What is up, everyone? Lynn Nation here, and welcome back to another episode of Clash Royale. Probably should get the gum out of my mouth before the audio is ruined. Wait. There. Just throw the gum. Okay, gyms, archers, Valkyrie. That's actually surprising. Since... Am I using Valkyrie? Whoa. Okay, that... I don't know what that is. I think it's like a... I really don't know, but... Coming soon is all that stuff. Don't know what else there is except for the Elite Barbs and Tornado, which, by the way, I want a Tornado. It looks really cool and pretty good for crowd control. Let's just upgrade the rocket, why not? Get some free XP. And, well, not free XP. When I'm using this deck, yes, I'm using Wizard, not the best with him. Also, I have a cold, since, well, yeah, it's basically freezing out in where I live, so it's already snowed here about 2 weeks ago. Yeah. Okay, let's get some good stuff to... Okay, we don't have much elixir right now. Oh, this guy... That's one of the reasons I want it. Other people have it, and it looks awesome. Should have saved it. And that, yeah. Yeah, that was not good. This guy's level 1. How is he beating me? Fireball! Oh, that fireball did some damage. But I'm having some log. Are you serious? And I can't do anything about it since this deck is super expensive. Okay, well, I'm fighting a level 1, so this should be... Are you serious? Now, this is just sad. Level 1 people, stop doing that. It's just Fae Unicorn. I just don't like people that are level 1s, because you can't get anywhere with these things. And this guy has to be using gems. Double dragon deck. Great. This is super fun. I just hate people that use gems. Because it's a free game. Keep it free. It's not fair for other players to have to deal with you who's using gems and still being a level 1. Because if you're not upgrading stuff, why use gems? I don't really like people that use gems. Sorry. Just going on with rants and all that. Finally, from those witches. Oh my gosh, I hate the Giant Skeleton. And 5 elixir gone. Stupid log. Hate those things. It's just kind of stupid. Like, it's the worst. Having players that just use gems, super annoying. First off, I know that guy's level 1. Yeah. Simple. But he's using gems, and I'm not very good at countering those things, so... Legendaries? No. Just no. I'm super sick right now. This sucks. Only good thing that came out from this? Nothing. Now the video is going to sound awful. Level 7. Probably could beat this guy easily, except he has Inferno Dragon / a Legendary. I don't know how they get these things. Because me, the best I've had is like a rare. And I get awful rares. I just still don't have the lightning spell. Yeah, lightning spell. Which, I don't know how my luck is this awful, so, yeah. This guy should be pretty easy to beat, though, since, well, level 7s, I've kind of have a lot of experience with being one and dealing with them. Oh, no. And I guess he didn't see that one trooper. That guy, that was awesome. If he zapped that thing, I would have been doomed. Still sounds like I'm dead inside from all this. Come on. Are you serious? Oh, no. There. Oh, great. This is just beautiful. Beautiful zap there. Get those guys in to do some damage on the edge, and boom. That should be enough to start what appears to be good damage being done. This guy and his skeleton army. Oh my gosh. And fireball. You can't take that tower, dude. Come on, just let me have that tower. Just let me, no. Okay, so we won that pretty easily. And what's in here that we can get? Nothing at all. Also, I thought there was like the reds thing. The thing. Huh, maybe I don't have it. Who knows? So, let's just get back in and I guess just do stuff that I don't know what we should do here. Okay. This guy's going with kind of a, oh, yes. Finally, someone that's doesn't have upgraded arrows to the max, I guess. Beautiful zap, and perfect. Should use the giant a bit more. Wait, is this guy using what the, oh my gosh, that thing is actually good. He just took my tower. And I'm slowly just chewing down his tower. This is sad. That was very sad. Okay. Just distract them. I don't care if you take one. That's pretty easy to fix. Well, not fix, but replace. Barbarians are, I'd say they're pretty good. Much better than elites. Don't think that was a good joke either. I meant for it to be a joke, but it ended up turning out. Oh! That deserves an emoji. I don't think this guy is very happy with me. Just get down that mini P.E.K.K.A. and come on. Yeah. They're actually taking it down. my gosh. These guys did amazing. Okay, let's just start up a push. Get ready to zap right now. Bomb it. Beautiful. Full of beauty. Oh no, I need to take his tower. And quick, I forgot that he took mine just then. Earlier this round. Yeah. Best commentator ever. Come on. Yeah! Come on. Yes. Yes. Okay. Just take that tower. Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh, really? The wizard went the wrong way. That is stupid. I don't even know what I'm doing here, but it looks good. I think I'm losing, though. Boom. Come on, yes, and perfect timing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got a haircut today, though, and that was pretty cool. So, yeah. I don't really know. I'm not the best at keeping up a conversation, especially with nothing else but a game. So, yeah. You guys can join my guild, right? Settings. Yeah, it's open. So, just need 2,000 trophies. Which, wait, I don't even have, oh my gosh. I just noticed, I should probably move that down also, look. There. International. No, not South America, North America. Save. So if you're in North America, which most of you probably are, then do that. Because, yeah. But thank you all for watching. Didn't really do much in this video except New Balances. Oh no. No. Back, please. Please. No. Clash Royale, no. There we go. And if you enjoyed this video, please like. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. And, well, if you liked it. I hate people that say subscribe, like, share, comment, and do all that stuff just to get, like, YouTube to promote them for the new YouTube rules. But thank you all for watching. I will see you all in the next video, and goodbye.